Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about SFGs, that is the signal flow graph in control system. This is very easy method compared to the block diagram method. I'll start with an example. Now let's discuss about the example of the SFG, that is find the transfer function y of s by c of s. Y of s is the output for the given problem and c of s will be the input. To find this using the signal flow graph, we need to follow certain procedures. So here are the few processes. First, we need to find the forward path, and second is we have to find the individual loops, how many loops there are there, and thirdly we have to find about the non-touching loops, and fourth about the three non-touching loops. So first is about to find the number of forward path. Forward path is nothing but the how many inputs will go to the output, how many paths there will be there. So here from G1, G2 and G3, this path will lead into the output from the input, and also from C of S, that is G4 to Y of S, that is the output. Again one more path will lead into the output. So there are two forward paths. So path 1 is G1, G2, G3, and path 2 is G4. And next about the individual loops. Here there are number of loops, quite few number of loops. The first loop is this one, L1. This forms a loop. So this is L1, and this is the second loop, L2, and this is a third loop, L3, and also this is the self loop. So this is L4, and this is from here, from G4 to G3, H3 and H1. This will again form another loop. So that is the G5 loop. I'll just write here. So L1 is minus G1 H1, since it will move like this, and L2 is G2 into L2, but since it is moving like this, so it is minus G2 L2, and L3 is G3 into H3, minus G3 H3. L4 is a self loop, so it is just minus H4, and L5 is G4, H3, H2 and H1. So it is minus G4 into H3, H2 and H1. These are the individual loops. Now let's come into two non-touching loops. There are mainly two non-touching loops. Here comes the L1 and the L3, which is non-touching. Here, since there is L2, so this makes these two loops are first non-touching loops. And the second one is L1 and L4. These two are also two non-touching loops, and L2 and L4. Hence it is L1 and L3, L1 and L4, and also L2 and L4. So these three are the two non-touching loops. Three non-touching loops. There are no three non-touching loops in this question, so that is none. Now for this we have to use the Mason's gain formula. Mason's gain formula tells us that summation of pk del k by del. So where pk is nothing but the kth forward path gain, and del k is 1 minus the loop k, and del is nothing but 1 minus loop k plus 2 non-touching minus 3 non-touching. Number of forward paths. There were two forward paths. First one is G1, G2 and G3, and here del is 1 because in the first forward path there was like no non-touching loops, so it is 1, and again plus, and the second forward path was G4, and again here it is 1 because again del k is nothing but 1 minus the loop gain, which does not touch the forward path. Here for that forward path all the loops were touching, so hence the del k is 1 here again. Now for the del part, it is by 1 minus the loop gain minus G1 H1 minus G2H2 minus G3H3 minus H4 and minus G4 H1 H2 and H3. This is for the loop gain, and for the two non-touching loops it is plus L1 L3 plus L1 L4 plus L2 L4. There is no three non-touching loops, so that is not there. Now I'm just substituting everything. So it is G1 G2 G3 plus G4 divided by 1 plus G1 H1 plus G2 H2 plus G3 H3 plus H4 plus G4 H1 H2 and H3 plus L1. What is L1? G1 H1 and L3 is G3 H3 plus L1 L4 is nothing but G1 H1 and L4 is nothing but H4. So again L2 is nothing but G2 H2 and L4 is nothing but H4. So this is the answer for the y of s by c of s, the transfer function, that is Laplace transform of output divided by Laplace transfer of input for the SFGs. So this is really simple. Do follow this method. That's all for the day. Thank you. I think all of you are gonna like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.